Give the domain and range of the relation shown below. So let's look for the domain. These are the x values that are used by our graph. So our domain, we're looking for the values used along the x-axis. Notice we don't see any in the negative side of the x-axis. So they do have 0 included. So the domain, and notice that we have arrows on each end of our graph indicating that it goes indefinitely in those directions. So we start at 0 and include 0, and we continue in the rightward direction towards infinity. So our domain has a bracket on 0 because 0 is included, and it goes in the direction of positive infinity. Now let's take a look at the range. Range are the y values in the graph. So we ask ourselves, is there any limits or boundaries on our y value? Again, we have arrows on each end of our graph that indicate it goes indefinitely in each direction. You can imagine it continuing on, getting larger and larger and larger, and continuing on in this direction, getting smaller and smaller. So it looks like that we have the possibilities of range values from negative infinity and to the positive infinity direction as well. So the domain of the relation are the possible x values, and the range of the relation are the possible y values.